don't take it like the way you like me. Baby, shh. Like the way you like me. Si Yubo, guys. Okay. Ayun, sige. Thank you for, supporting us before. Wala na eh. Jensky, wala akong panahon sa bola, ha? Talaga ba? Ba't di kita kilala? Hi, Jean Rose! Thank you pala sa gift mo before. Alam mo na kung ano yan. Na-surprise kami. Grabe. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Tagal na namin din nagagawa yun, pero nagawa namin dahil sa'yo. Yes! Sobra! Sobra talaga. Kailan mauulit? Joke lang, thank you so much. Grabe talaga. Ang saya ng binigay mo na yun. Unexpected na may taong, alam mo yun, yung support sa love life mo. Yun talagang support, hindi yung dahil proud lang kayo kung ano meron kami. Kumbaga yung para kayo pa tumutulong kung paano namin magagawa yung isang bagay. For the talking session lang to, kasi one corgi, one song tayo. Si ate kasi di ganyan kalaki mukha niya sa person. Hoy, grabe ka naman! So, malaki talaga mukha ko sa screen. Hoy, pero hindi naman maliit yung mukha ko, promise. Sakto lang. Hindi maliit. Hindi ko masabing maliit yung mukha ko kasi malaki talaga yung mukha ko. Di ba napatingin ako sa salamin? Now you know. Meron kang fanboy. Meron naman talaga before kasi sa P-pop, more on hindi girls ang fan girls sa amin. Like, more on boys talaga na nagsusupport ng mga girl group, gano'n. Naastigan nga ako eh. Don't know your name, but I guess I really don't care. I promise you wait, but I wanna let you go there. I wanna try something new. Late ako nagising, guys, kaya ganito yung mata ko, bagsak. Magpo-4 na ako nagising. Di siguro binobola mo lang ako, Haruka. Paano ka naging top 1? Kilala ko naman lahat ng nag-support sa akin. I'll still be moving you. You will like it not nobody. Walang magdadrop ng corgi, sige. I promise you wait, but I wanna let you go there. I wanna try something new. Yes. Oversleep. Di sleep over. Oversleep. Leia, thank you. Baby. Irene, thank you. I see you look in your eyes, I feel the same. Kiss your lips, girl, when we kiss. Why don't we handle this? Girl, you know I need some affection. Hi, Almira. Shout out. Hi, Ash. Wala nga eh. Yan mo, Ate Joy, okay lang. Kasi nakakapagod na may kanta ako ng kanta. Tapos, alam, nag-give sa akin. Ang sakit kasi ng lalamunan ko ngayon. Guys, nagagamot ako. Hindi ko lang po alam ano oras magla-live si Bubu. I wanna try something new. Hindi pa eh, dahil lugi ako doon. Wanna try, baby. Thank you, CB20. Thank you. I like the new. Give me the number, give me the number. Thank you, Irene. Pwede naman mag-drop ng mga rose. Pero pag kami nag-drop ng corgi, doon ako kakanta. Thank you. Okay yan, di ba nagkakwentuhan tayo? Di ba? Ang saya. Hi! Hi, Shai! Ilani, thank you! I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means. Hi! Marie Shane, Cassie B20, hello! Novin Bleza, hi! Sige, mag-hi na lang ako sa lahat. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time. Hindi, may rules tayo. Laro yan, laro. Kailangan magpa-corgi tayo. Just for a while. Thank you, AD. Lost in the words that we scream. I don't even want to do this anymore. 'Cause you already know what you mean to me. And all those things you are worth fighting for. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Pwede naman Shinchan pero hindi ko afford yung ano. Hindi ko sigaw yun eh. We belong together. Ooh. Just for a while. Eme lang ata to si Shinchan eh. Alam mo ba, favorite ko yan si Shinchan dati. Si Shinchan pasaway yan eh. Kaya paano ako maniniwala sa'yo? Grabe ka naman. Sakit talaga ng lalamunan ko, promise. Our time on earth was through. I wanna hold you just for a while. And I will Baka pwede naman yun, chill lang muna. If the world was ending, I'm gonna be next to you. I wanna be next to you. Hindi po. Hindi ko siya alam. Hindi ko alam yung nire-request mo eh.
This is transferring off, flaking off, and sweating off from Maybelline, New York.
Thank you siya. Mabait bago mag-carpenters, one corgi. Minsan lang ako mag-request sa inyo kahapon. Dami nyo ni-request sa akin. Nakauwi na po siya. Doon po siya sa labas. Uy, ayoko ng My Way, sumpayan. Di ko talaga kinakanta yan. Natatakot ako. Uy, Shinchan, gusto mo yata ako patayin eh. Parang, nanggugulo ka ah. Binivisit mo ako. Ano daw? Si mabait Buenamano sa tip mahal. Ano, sabihin mong malinaw, nag-Buenamano ba? O ano? Sabihin mo ng malinaw. Gusto ko yung iniintindi ko pa. Mabilis kasi ako maniwala, guys. Kaya pag may sinabi ka, linawin mo agad. Hi, Elena. Going and saying I can't lose. Elena, thank you. You just so important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose. Diba? Tingnan mo, Ate Joy, kung sinunod ko agad yung sinabi mo. Diba? Pinapabuenamano mo palang. Akala ko naman nagbuenamano na. Wala akong corgi. Uy, ako sinit. Di ako maniniwala sa'yo. Pwede naman hello, Shinchan. Sige, mga pang-5 kanta. Kasi kailangan ko muna i-warm up. Baka ma-disappoint ka sa akin eh. Ow! Ayan na si Kyle. Thank you. Taray na ito. Dinaig kayo oh. Nagpa-corgi. Oh. Oh, ay anong kakantahin natin? Mag-chill muna tayo guys. Kasi ang sakit talaga ng lalamunan ko. Pwede nyo ba ako intindihin ngayon gabi? Chill lang ah. Chill muna. Mamaya ako bibirit. Promise. Kailangan ko lang gisingin yung lalamunan ko. Hindi pwede. Ay! Nag-tip! Sino? Sino? Kati talaga, guys. Kailangan ko magluya. Sige nga, try ko na to ha. Sorry guys ha, kasi lalamunan ko talaga ngayon. Oo, ako sinits, binibilang ko ha. Pag nadagdagan yan, magkano na yun? Binibilang ko talaga be, kahapon pa. Andito pa yung papel oh, nasa basurahan ko na maliit. Yung mga sinusulat ni Ate Joy. Gusto mo ba i-flex ko? Di ko pa yan tinatapon para may pruweba ako. Okay, eto na. Ay, Shinchan, tigilan mo ako.
Change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can't come through the phone. And I know it makes no sense, cause you walk out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough, no more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Gotta fix that calendar I have. Let's mark July 15. Cause since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. And now every song reminds me of used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Leave me alone. Stupid love song. Don't make me think about her smile or having my first child. I'm letting go. Turning off the radio, cause I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? So sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Thank you so much, that's so sick. Ayan. Bye, Leo. Ayan, nag-drop si Kyle ng Corky. Ayan, para sa'yo yan. Thank you so much. And sa mga nagsasend ng direct, ayan, sige, para sa'yo to, Big Boss Sarah. Ay, si Mabait pala. Ba't ba ako nag-Big Boss Sarah? Sino yun? Kay Mabait pala, Mabait. Okay, let's go. Sorry. tatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo kahit di ganon kawangis, ika'y iguguhit ko. No, 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 I'll probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last bite. Oh, oh, do, 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 do. Yeah, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita, saan man tayo magpunta, yung tipong kahit wala lang. O kaya may on-the-spot dinner date, and this time I won't be late. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. Oh, I just wanna do simple random things to say. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you so much. Ayan, para to sa nag-tip. Thank you, that's Radcomatic by James Reed. Thank you, guys.
Hansel Crackers. 1% ng sarap, 1% ng saya, i-share. Hansel Crackers.
Hi, Jolene! Hello po, good evening. Good evening, Jeril ka? Thank you, guys, sa mga tumatabag. Pwede daw po ba The Carpenters? Pwede, basta ikaw. Sige. Ayan na. Thank you, Jerilka. To the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Baba, takot ko. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered were they gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every oh, still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. When they got to the part where it's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Hi, Sean. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good mga bagong pasok, thank you guys for sharing the live. And sa mga sa nagtatap-tap, ayan, sana may mag-corgi pa ulit. 1 hour live lang ako guys ha, kasi masakit siya talaga. Dapat nga magre-rest day ako, pero since nagsabi ako kahapon ng magla-live talaga ako ngayon. Yung mga naghihintay naman na mag-live ako, wala naman dito.
New Carnation Everyday Creamer. Surprise sa real milk. Tikman na.
O, diba? May ads.
My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Look at the draw, only draws the unlucky. And so I became the butt of the joke. I wounded the good and I trusted.
Yes, 1 corgi, 1 drop, guys. Let's go.
Clearing the air, I breathed in the smoke. Maybe you ran with the wolves and refused to settle down. Maybe I've stormed out of every single room in this town, threw out our cloaks and our daggers because it's morning now. It's brighter now. Now I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same.
Hi, Sagi. Ate Joy PM daw si ako si Nate.
Now I'm wide awake.
Now I see daylight. Sagi, thank you.
I only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. And I can still see it all. All of you, all of me. I once believed love would be black and white, but it's golden, golden. And I can still see it all in my head. But I can go from New York, singing in the air. I once believed love would be
It's golden. Ay, marami ba yan?
like daylight.
Thank you. Smile. Ay, thank you, emoji. Di pala siya nakasmile.
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. And I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and only see daylight. Only see daylight. Only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight.
Napanood niyo na ba yung pinost ni Tiban?
Only see daylight,
Hindi ko lang nakita.
like daylight. It's golden, like daylight. You gotta step into the daylight and let it go. Just let it go. Let it go.
Visit ka, Tipan.
I want to be defined by the things that I love, not the things I hate, not the things I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of the things that haunt me in the middle of the night. I just think that you are what you love.
Ba't ako magsasabi? No, I don't know Hannah Montana song. Bahala na siya. Sige, isa lang. Ano oras na ba ako? Ano oras ba ako nagsimula? 39 minutes. 1 hour lang ako, ha? Mukhang kota na ako sa tip mo, ah.
I believe skin confidence starts with what you take inside. Take Myra E.
Basahin! Nabibilang ko na kung magkano to, ah. May screenshot ako, ah. Isa-send ko na lang sa'yo yung mga naiipong kong sulat niya.
We could leave the Christmas lights up till January.
3 na yung nare-receive ko na sulat. Isa to.
We make the rules.
Isa to.
And there's a dazzling
Tapos, ngayon ito. Tatong papel, ah. Binibilang ko to. Thank you so much! Thank you ako, Sinits! Low-key lang daw, ayaw ipaalam. Sige, tayo-tayo lang makakaalam.
this close forever and ever, and I'll take it all. Take me home. You're my lover.
Naghahanap na ako. Pang-apat na ba to? Oh my God. Ganito yung masarap singilin eh. Thank you so much. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Ang saya.
And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now.
Okay, chill muna. Kasi, yung nagtitip na to, wala siya nire-request. Ako daw bahala. Ang saya. Grabe.
Waited till I saw the sun. Don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun.
didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. Thank you so much, that's Don't Know Why. Thank you, Shai.
Kaya ko nga, Sinchan, kaya ko din yung hello, drop muna. Ito talaga.
So, when you're feeling lost in the night, when you feel your world just went dry, call on me, I will be waiting. Count on me, I will be there. Anytime the times get too tough, anytime your best ain't enough, I'll be the one to make it better. I'll be there to protect you, see you through. I'll be there and there is nothing I won't do. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. I will be your hero, your strength, anything you need. I will be the sun in your sky. I will light your way for all times. Promise you, for you I will. I will shield your heart from your rain. I will let no harm come your way. All these arms will be your shelter. No, these arms won't let you down. If there is a mountain to move, I will move the mountain for you. I'm here for you, I'm here forever. I will be your fortress, tall and strong. I'll keep you safe, I'll stand beside you, right or wrong. I'll cross the ocean, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I can be your hero. my third song for Ako Si Nits.
Habang
And in-next na natin kay AC. Thank you so much, guys.
Hello, Squid. It's time to try Maggie Magic Sarap.
Diba? May magic sarap. May ads eh. Hi, Jessa. Especially for you. I wanna let you know what I was going through. All the times we were apart, I thought of you. You were in my heart. My love never changed. I still feel the same. Especially for you. Thank you, guys. I wanna tell you I was feeling that way too. And the dreams he was, I would have gone to you to be where you are. No matter how far, and now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I got to say it's all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you, especially for you. I wanna tell you you meant all the world to me. How uncertain that our love was meant to be. You changed my life. You showed me the way. And now that I'm next to you, I've been longing enough to find you. I wanna put all the hurt behind you. I wanna bring all the love inside of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you. Thank you guys, thank you for dropping, thank you for the gifts. Sa mga magtitip guys, open na open pa ako. Hi, Lisa. You were in my heart. My love never changed. Now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I've got to say it all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I have is especially for you. Thank you so much. Ayan, that's for you. Ako si Nits. Ayan, punta na tayo kay AC. Thank you. Hi, Nicole. Open pa ako sa tipas, ha?
Offers a wide
Kaya to, kaya to. Taba ko nga, tignan mo.
inverter split aircons for ultimate comfort and energy.
Hi, Jake, miss you. I'm you. Kung ika'y magiging namin, di ka na muling wishes para sa akin by City. Ayan, wala pa ulit nagda-drop. Sige. Friends pa rin kami ni Bianca. Hindi nga lang pa kami ulit nagkikita. Bakit? Ang lamig. Kung ako ay mamalasin at meron ka ng ibang mahal, nagkita kami ni Yumi nung kami ng front row. Nag-meet kami. Tapos si Bianca, di pa ulit kami nagkikita eh. Okay, drop na tayo ulit. May 1 hour lang ako. Last kanta na. Di kita pipilitin. Saan asawa mo kasi? Di ko alam. Sabi mo pang iyong damdamin na yan na lang. PM daw. Okay, Ate Joy. Okay. Thank you sa nag-tip, sa nag-send kay Ate Joy kung sino ka man. Maraming salamat. Ayan, so last kanta na tayo. Thank you! Hi! Puro chill lang tayo guys. Ayoko magwala ngayon kasi lalamunan ko talaga. Sa unang tingin agad na umali sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. 'Di kita pipilitin. Sa nanininig mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin Ala, nagre-request pa siya ng isang song. Sige na nga.
Dutch
Oh, thank you, AC. Thank you, Jessica. Ganito lagi na lang nabibig ko, ngunit ikaw pa rin sigaw ng puso. Ilang liham na ang sinulat sa'yo, ilang luha na rin ang natuyo. Kailan kaya muling makakatawa? Hindi ko pinipilit, walang lungkot na sumisilip. Kailan kaya muling magkakamit ang iyong yakap at halik nang hindi sa panaginip? Kailan ang dating tayo? Thank you. Kung ano man totoo, isipan ay litong-lito, at ang handa akong sumalo, pagkat ikaw pa rin sigaw ng puso. Ilang awit na ang inalay sa'yo, ilang luha na rin ang natuyo. Kailan kaya muling magkakatawa? Hindi ko pinipilit, walang lungkot na sumisilip. Kailan kaya muling magkakamit ang iyong yakap at halik nang hindi sa panaginip? Kailan, kailan, kailan ang dating? Kailan kaya muling matatamasa? Ikaw ay magkasama, sabay tayong kakanta. Kailan kaya muling mararanasan sa pagdilat ng mata, ika'y hindi lang alaala. Thank you so much, that's dating tayo. So, may any request pa ba? Last na. Last na! Sabi ni AC pang patulog daw. Sige, lalabay.
Sige na, tulog na. Ako yung ina. Bahala kasi dyan.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops way above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly over the rainbow. Why then, why can't I? Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, oh, why can't I? Over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Thank you so much. That's Over the Rainbow. Kahit ako kinaan ko. Ayun, sa mga magpa-follow up pa ng mga tips, thank you so much in advance. That's all for today's live kasi hindi talaga kaya ng ano ko, lalamunan ko. Bye everyone. Thank you so much sa tips and drops. Thank you guys. See you all tomorrow. Bye guys. Thank you, Lani. Bye everyone. Ayun, sige, nagda-drop pa eh.